All right, folks, this is a Hyundai Elantra. See that little light right there? That means you have a bulb out, or at least one bulb. Okay, so to check it out, let's turn on the headlights and we'll walk around the car and we'll check for any bulbs that are out. The fronts are good, the backs are the problem. So here, see the two on the trunk lid is out compared to this side. Okay, this is just the parking brakes. Now we're going to go step on the brakes. If you're working by yourself, take a nice little stick, screwdriver, whatever you can, step on the brakes, push it up against the seat. You can move the seat all the way up, and then you come back and you will see your brake lights. That one's on, that one's on, and this one is off. Okay, you can tell. All right, so you got one brake light on this side that's out. You got two parking lights that are in the trunk that are out. All right, it's a Hyundai, so hopefully the bulb's not only just burnt out, but it didn't burn out the sockets too. Okay, it's a known problem for the sockets to burn out, so we're going to be checking that out too. All right, let's do it. All right, folks, Hyundai Elantra. This is a 2017 model. Okay, it's the taillight bulb. This one here is out, so let's go change it. Let's open the trunk. In here, there's a little compartment. We're going to just pull that out. Okay, inside here, it's two 10mm nuts. One is here, one is there. Okay, one here, one there. Those are not nuts, those are nothing, those are just clips. And that's another clip. I'll explain that to you in a little bit. Oh boy, the fuzz is going after somebody. All right, so after you take the two nuts off, give this a nice little wiggle. One hand here, one hand here, and you'll be able to like grab it and pull it out. It's gonna come out towards the rear. Okay, see if I can do it with just myself here. Dun, 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 dun. It's gonna come out. Just gotta pull it out. Loosen it up. There you go. Okay. Once it comes out, you pull it far enough for you to get to the brake light. Okay, the brake light is the one that's on the outside, which is this one right here. Okay, the other one is the parking light. So the brake light, stop light is going to be this one here. You do the old lefty-loosey trick. Mamma mia, not much room here for your lefty-loosey. All right, put the camera down here. Just grab it and twist it. If you got to use a pair of pliers, so be it. All right, so if you got two hands, then you just put one up top, one on bottom, and you twist it off. I'm going to see what this bulb looks like. Oh, that's not good. Okay, see that? It's a common problem with Hyundais. The sockets are toast. It's kind of burnt. All right, so hopefully this bulb will come out with no problem. Let's take a look at this bulb. See what's out. Yeah, it looks like one of the filaments are burnt out. All right, I'm gonna take it out of that socket and we'll see what happens. All right, so it's a 7528 bulb. All right, I'm gonna change it. Right here, the socket doesn't look too bad at all. It's just the outside is burnt from probably heat, but the connections look good. Take the old bulb. We're gonna go step on our brakes and see if it works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rig it up with a long screwdriver so that I don't have to have somebody come out here and step on it. So let's do that. There you go. So I rigged it up, long screwdriver, a bar, a piece of wood, whatever you want. Move the seat all the way up. So it's like if there was somebody stepping on the bricks for you. All right. Left side works good. And here's the passenger side. There you go. Good to go. All right, so we're gonna just stick this back in here. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna tighten it up. And then put the light on. I need my other hand. All right, righty tighty. Okay, it's on. Here's those clips I was talking to you about. All right, little plastic clip there, a little plastic clip here. These little knobbies go right, poke right in there. This one here looks like an old door panel clip, and it goes on with this little slider. Okay, has a little hole there. Okay, so it's going to slide in there. So when you set it up now, you're going to get that corner just to go in there like that, and you're going to slide it. Okay, so once it slides in, everything else lines up. These little tabs will go into that little plastic piece there, and then you put your 10mm nuts back on. So let's do that. All right, so once it's set up, it slides in, put on your two 10mm nuts there, tighten them up. They were not really tight that much before, because I guess they don't want to snap them. And that's it. Okay, put your cover back on. It's a funny little cover. These three pieces go behind it. Okay, you have to do a little finagling and just push everything in. Once it fits in there, it forms in there, you are good to go. All right, that's basically it. All right, I need my other hand to do it, but you get the idea. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao. Hey folks, all right, there's a Hyundai Elantra 2017, give or take. All right, we're looking at the bulbs that are out, that are in the trunk lid. Right, these are your reverse lights, these are your parking lights, because they're supposed to match your brake lights. But when you have them out and they're not working, guess what, people? Yep, LED technology. All right, I could take these panels off. There's about 5-6 clips. I just pulled them out of the way. I dropped this down, and guess what? The only bulb that's replaceable is your reverse light, which is this one here with the orange. This one here, the LEDs are not replaceable. You have to buy the whole lamp. All right, so if you buy the lamp or you buy it used, there's a couple of nuts over here to remove it, and the whole thing comes out, and you replace it. Okay, unfortunately the LED lamps, this is going to be a lot of money. Okay, I think I just looked at one for a Chevy. It was almost $400, and they need the old one back. There's like a core charge for them. I guess they fix them and put them back. All right, so the only bulb that's available or that can be replaced separately is the reverse. The other LED lamp comes as a whole assembly. All right, so you're crap out of luck if you ever want to change that. All right, that's all we can do. Right, even though it's out, you shouldn't get a ticket for it because it's not a brake light. Okay, it's just a parking light, and you have one over there. Okay, that's it. And these clips, they just pop right back in. They're little push clips. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.